Hi everybody, Katie here, and we are going to make a blanket scarf. This is part of our 12 easy gifts you can make, and this one is so simple. It barely even takes any tools. All you need is about a meter of fabric and a sewing machine. You need a fabric that is yarn dyed. Yarn dyed fabric is when the yarns used to weave the fabric are dyed ahead of time, and then the fabric is woven instead of it being printed on the way most like quilting cottons are. So this is made up of like a brown yarn and this sort of mustard color and a gold and a teal, and then the fabric is woven together. So you'll see it's the same on the front and the back. What we're going to do is create a fringe at the bottom. You don't even have to finish the selvage edge because it's already finished. Flannel is perfect for this, and the bonus is it's nice and cozy. So we're going to start by, and you stitch a line on your cut edge, so across the width of the fabric, however long you want your fringe to be. So, there's my gauge. Like 2 inches is a good size fringe. What we're going to do is then we're going to remove the warp threads that are run in this direction, and we're going to leave all the weft threads. So this is the part that just takes a little while because you have to work them loose. I can usually pull multiple threads at the same time. There we go. This one, but it comes apart fairly quickly. Yeah, so you can see I pulled out quite a bit already. If you're having trouble, sometimes the thread will snap like in the middle. You can always use a seam ripper to sort of weed it out and then keep going. When you have finished making your fringe, your scarf is ready to wear.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.